Sparky?
What do you want?
Do you know about train safety?
I would love to, but I'm afraid not.
Oh, if you don't know about train safety, then you would probably do know about train safety. One thing,
And what's that?
to watch a video.
I would like to, but I'm unavailable because I'm a dog, and dogs don't have thumbs, so that's why that's a reason to not watch videos.
The only things I'm thinking of is you.
I'm staying clear.
Now you're talking sense, Foxy.
Yeah. Let's take a hike.
A hike?
Yeah, come on. There's no trains coming.
Wait, Foxy. Sly. Oh, I'd better tail him before he gets in more trouble. It's kind of dumb to hike along the train track.
Dum-de-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum.
Look at my friend happily following the track to a railroad bridge.
Aha! A bridge. Bridges are made for crossing. Dum-de-dum, dum-de-dum-dum-dum.
Oh, no. Bridges don't have sidewalks. If a train were to come...
Uh-oh.
Oh, Sly Fox has two choices now. One, get hit by the train. Two, jump off the bridge.
How do you like that show?
That was terrible. Thank you.